Hi, this video will show you two ways of adding hair for knotless braid. First, take a section, separate 3 strands, and then start the simple braiding. Until you braid at least 5 times, you can start adding hair. Create a circle with your thumb and index finger. Add the hair into the middle strand and leave one strand outside. Braid 1 to 2 times to secure the hair. And then add the other end into the middle strand. And then now you can add another pieces. Remember the hair should be added under the right strand. After you adding it, braid 1 time and then put the other end into the middle part. And now I will show you another way to adding hair. If create a circle is too difficult for you, put the hair on top on the middle strand, hold it with your other finger, flip the right strand to the front. Remember, for knotless braid, the adding hair should be thin and small. Then the braid will look more natural. Repeat adding hair until the desired size of braid you want.